Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you and how you can connect make.com to your WordPress website. Now, this is going to be just an easy method since I had just already created this account, and this is just for discussion purposes only. So right here, I'm going to be bringing on scenarios. So look for this one and basically click on plus sign right here. And then you're going to see all of the applications from here. So just look for the one that says WordPress. So now, for example, if you cannot see it right here, you can just type it in the search bar at the very bottom and just type in the WordPress so you can see it. So you can have an option to get a tag, get a post, or get a user. So if I click on WordPress right here, I can use this one. So for example, I can create a post for this one and create a connection like so. So basically, you're just going to need your connection name. Your WordPress connection should be here and your WordPress REST API based URL. So this is going to be the example. Now, where can you get this? So you can get this on the WordPress website just by uploading and downloading the make.com extension inside your WordPress. So the API key can also be found inside your WordPress. So again, as you can see right here, you can find the API key on your WordPress website. So if you have integrator plugin installed. So basically this right here can be gathered on a WordPress website as long as you have the plugins for WordPress and the integrations. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!